Hi, let's do this question. A 270 volt DC series motor takes 45 ampere when giving its rated output at 1500 rpm. Its armature resistance is 0.1 ohm and the field resistance is 0.2 ohm. It is found that to obtain rated torque at starting, a resistance R1 has to be added. To obtain rated torque at 1000 rpm, a resistance R2 has to be added. We have to find the values of R1 and R2. Okay, first of all, let me draw the DC series motor diagram. So we have the series field winding over here, and then we have the armature here. So this is the series DC series motor, and this is the terminal voltage V, and this is the back EMF is developed here, and armature is having a resistance RA. We are given that the armature resistance is 0.1 ohm and the field resistance is 0.2 ohm. Okay, so the relation between the voltage, that is the back EMF, and the terminal voltage is given in a DC series motor by the equation V is equal to EB plus IA into RA plus RSC. Okay, so here RA and RSC are in series in a DC series motor. That is why we have clubbed it together. Okay, and at the time of starting, we know that the speed of a DC series motor or whatever motor at the time of starting, the speed will be equal to 0. Okay, so if the speed is equal to 0, then we know that EB is equal to phi ZNP by 60A, and that is also equal to 0. So what happens is that the terminal voltage V is applied across the resistors RA and RSC, the armature resistance and the series resistor of the field windings as well. Okay, so it comes across directly across the these both resistors, and then we have the value of, at this time the current that flows through is the starting current. So we will have the value of starting current as around V by RA by RSC, and we have the value of voltage given as 270 volt, and the RA is given as 0.1 and RSC is given as 0.2. So this comes around 900 ampere. Okay, so in order to prevent this only, we are adding an extra resistor during the time of starting, so to prevent the extra flow of current. Okay, so then it has to limit, our aim is to limit the starting current to 45 ampere itself, the rated current itself, so that we can protect the machine. So at the time of starting, we are adding an extra resistor here, and the current should be the IA current itself. So the extra resistor is denoted as R1. Okay, so now the voltage is 270, the current is 45. We know the value of RA, RSC, but we don't know the value of R1, and we have to find the value of R1. Okay, so we can simplify this equation by adding 0.1 and 0.2. So the result of this will be, we will get the value of R1 from this equation. Okay, when solving this, we will be getting R1 is equal to 5.7 ohm. Okay, so directly we can actually obtain the value of the answer from the option B, but we will proceed on to the next option as well. That is, we'll find out the value of R2 as well, then we can fix the options. Okay, so the second part gives that to obtain a rated torque at 1000 rpm, a resistor R2 has to be added. Okay, so now the torque is obtained at a speed of 1500 rpm. We are going to reduce the speed, and at the speed of 1000 rpm we have to obtain the rated torque. Okay, so we are reducing the speed, and we know that the value of EB is given by, EB is equal to V minus IA into RA plus RSC. Okay, so after the motor has been started, it is running without the starting resistance R1. So now the voltage across the back EMF is coming, will be equal to this much voltage, that when we calculate we will be getting as 256.5 rpm. And note that this voltage is at 1500 rpm. Okay, so now we have to find the voltage first of all at the 1000 rpm, then we will be able to find how much resistor has to be added, extra resistor has to be added. Okay, so we know that the formula for EB is equal to phi ZNP by 60A. From that formula we can observe that EB is directly proportional to the speed. Okay, so our EB at 1500 rpm is directly proportional to 1500 and EB at 1000 RPM is directly proportional to 1000. We know the value of EB at 1500 RPM we obtained right now as 256.5 volt. Okay, so now we'll be having 200 and we can divide both these equations. We'll be having 256.5 divided by EB at 1000 RPM is equal to 1500 divided by 1000. Okay, so when we solve this equation, we'll be getting the value of EB at 1000 RPM as 171 volt. Okay, so we found the back EMF value at 1000 RPM. Now we have to find how much resistor we have to add in order to get this value. So we know the formula for EB is equal to V minus IA into RA plus RSC. And if we substitute the values of V, IA, RA and RSC here, we will be getting a value which is 256.5 only. So in order to change this value to 171, we have to add an extra resistor here. If we add an extra resistor here only, the value of EB will be 171 volt. Okay, so now we can substitute the value of EB as 171, V as 270, IA as 45 and RA we know 0.1, RSC we know 0.2 and R2 is unknown. So while solving this, we'll be having 171 by 270 is equal to minus 45 into 0.3 plus R2. Sorry, 171 minus 270 is equal to minus 45 into 0.3 plus R2. So from this we'll be having minus 99 is equal to minus 45 into 0.3 plus R2. And solving this equation we'll be getting R2 is equal to 1.9 ohm. Okay, so now we can clearly see that in the option B is the correct answer. The option B, it is given R1 is equal to 5.7 ohm and R2 is equal to 1.9 ohm. We had already found that R1 is equal to 5.7 ohm and now we have obtained the value of R2 as 1.9 ohm. So that is the question with regards to DC series motor. I hope you all understood the question. Thank you everyone.